Hey everyone, Scott Holmes here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm standing in front of a 2024 Bennington 24SX swingback. The color on this boat is the flat panel, luminescent blue. It's a new color for the Bennington this year. It really pops on the water. It's a beautiful color scheme. This boat is a tri-tune with the full SPS tri-tune package, 24 feet in length. And I'm gonna walk along the side of it and come into the back side of the boat here. I want to show you guys the ladder. It's got the extended aft deck, ski tow bar, Mercury 250 horsepower with the lily pad drop down ladder with retractable strap. Really makes it a breeze to get in and out of the boat. Coming into the back, we got the swing back seat. Wraparound interior L-type bench with removable table. Flip this inwards to have a nice rear-facing bench. Got cup holders there on the side. Take a look at the dash. Got the throttle binnacle located there right alongside the driver for a nice comfortable position. Rockford Fosgate Bluetooth stereo. It's got the 9-inch Simrad dash with chart plotter and GPS. Two huge front benches. Look how they curve around in the front to give you a very versatile seating arrangement. Get all your friends and family on this boat and have plenty of horsepower to get across the lake fast, tube, ski. Really, really like this back bench seat. Come take a look at this boat and all the rest of our inventory here at MarineMax in Greenville. Thank you.